This is our SL12 indicator light, dock light, deck light. This light is really designed after meeting with installers down in Florida, and they wanted me to come out with a light that didn't need to be core drilled, that could surface mount on their decks and docks, and one that would give a beautiful light without glare and would also stand the test of time. So Sterling Lighting got to work. My team of engineers and myself sat down, and we actually used the technology from our path light. So we sealed the LED at the very base next to the electronics. It actually projects up into a reflector we have on top and pushes the light out. So we get a soft, even distribution of light. We went with our standard 97, 98 CRI, and it's actually 23 lumens. What I found is when we went above that brightness, there was too much glare. We just want a soft pattern of light put out in a very symmetrical pattern, and this is easy to install. It gives a great indication of light and a great indicator for customers walking down their dock or deck. This luminaire has 3 ports of light to give a beautiful pattern. It's a surface mount fixture, meaning you don't have to core drill through the deck. You could simply mount it and have the wire come out underneath. We provide the screws, we provide everything you're going to need. What I love about this light is the actual distribution of light. We picked out the perfect light level, so there isn't glare, but there's enough light for you to traverse your deck or dock. It's designed to stand the test of time. It's durable, it's beautiful, it's easy to install. It'll make your customers' decks look gorgeous, and this will give you the perfect amount of light. It's not a tripping hazard. It's able to be kicked and moved around and stepped on, and nothing's going to happen to this. If you're looking for a light that's built to last, easy to install, and produces a beautiful light, this is the SL12, and that's Sterling Lighting.